Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute layered card for you. This is my April Showers layered card. How cute is that? You have the little boy silhouette here. I also have a girl version. You'll see that in just a few minutes when we open up Design Space. There's fun foliage around, some fun flowers, those little clouds there at the top. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really easy to put together. There's only a few layers for that front cover panel and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can take a look at all the different features for each membership and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to click sign in. I'll go ahead and log into my account. And now I've logged into the website. To access the file libraries, you can head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, so that means that it's available for all membership tiers. Those with free memberships will be able to go to the Free Files page and get the file there. Those with basic and premium memberships will be able to go to the file library and get the file there. For this project, you'll want to look for number 608. That is the April Showers layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some score lines that we need to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And the last thing that we need to do is decide which version of the card we're going to want to make. I've included a little boy version and a little girl version. I'm going to cut out the little boy version, so I'm going to highlight the little girl and delete that layer. And now that that's all set, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer up our front cover panel. Now, we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all these pieces together. But really quick, from back to front, we're going to start with the purple layer, the light blue layer, the darker blue, and then the cream. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our cute front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, fold, and burnish along the scoreline. Go ahead and open up the card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside. And close the card base, and now we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our cute card. I'll set that to the side for a moment. Let's go ahead and make the envelope really quick. So for the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay panel over and attach that to the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold in those side flaps. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How easy was this card? I love that little silhouette. He's so cute. The little girl version is very precious. I hope that you make it. Let me know in the comments which version you're going to make. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!